Hello and welcome, it's Gilly Kube. I'm here again on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with acrylic fluid art dip on aluminium foil or L foil, tin foil, whatever you like to call it. I just like using this. I believe it scrunched aluminium foil gives your piece of art a little bit of a textured effect. If not, it's still a nice surface to be able to use for your dipping. So I've got this lovely 50.8, say 60 centimetre square, 60 centimetre round canvas, so really nice big canvas. Now I colour tested last week for the colours that I wanted to use on this canvas. This is for a gift, so I'm really hoping it turns out just beautiful. I will explain the colours as we go along, but let's get started on laying our surface. I'll get just one of my old cake cooling racks that's had seen better days, but it just is great surface to put my turned over canvas on. So just gonna mark where my canvas, where I need to put the foil so I don't over foil it, crazy lady. Okay, let's just move this over slightly. I'm going to need to tape some foil together here, which I've not had success with because I seem to get a demarcation line, but anyway, we will try. It's not got to be perfect, absolutely not got to be perfect. So here we go, scrunch for my textured effect on the canvas. If your paints are the correct consistency, which is a little bit thicker for this canvas dip, it will leave the textured effect on your canvas. It's kind of, I think I'll tape the back. Just get this taped first.
There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end. There's a new day that will come again tomorrow. There's a new day to wash away the pain.
I'm just going to coat my canvas firstly. You don't have to do this, but because I do want to leave a little bit of negative space around the edges, I'm going to mostly coat the edges.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this. If you try to get some sleep.
Right. Next step of the way. So it is going to be minimal colours, believe it or not. Like I said, I did the colour test for this, and what I did was layer silver. This is metallic silver. So I'm not going to quite do it up to where the edge of my canvas is. I'm sort of going to do it about 2 inches. It's only just me giving myself a rough guide because I get overzealous with the paints. So I'm just going to wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Do the wiggles. Wiggles pour. You can layer this, you can throw the paint on it, wiggle the paint on it, spot the paint on it, any way which you choose. I do like to layer some of the colours in a chevron pattern because I just find it gives a certain effect in the finished product. This is metallic gold. Metallic gold, and then I have a pink, but I did add some metallic silver to the pink. This is a bit thick, so I'm going to do the V's with this, like chevrons. And of course a bit of wiggle, wiggle, wiggles. It's such a good, easy technique for beginners to get really lovely results, to give to gifts for your friends, family, or to sell, either way. So the following colour was my Berry Delicious, which I custom make out of. You can either use a dark red, add phthalo blue, and then a blob of black. It'll send it really nice, dark cherry looking. Or you can start with purple and again add a little bit of black to the purple. It all depends. This is going to be a really nice black cherry in here. And as I said, I colour tested the colours and they came out beautiful, except I didn't add the silver to my pink, so the pink was probably a little bit brighter. So I'm just hoping that this turns out equally as lovely as my colour test last piece did. And then I added white. Might get some more of the gold in there. The gold, the metallics will really make this piece, when it's dry, sparkle. Okay. Right. Now for the floaty bit, I'm going to turn my canvas over, obviously. Try and put it on my marker lines. And that, my dears, is the simple bit now, and the pleasurable. Just squeeze it out. Think of all the people that have annoyed you this week and squeeze them out of your life. That's what you can do. See, it is definitely art therapy.
If you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight.
Anyway, and I just want a reminder to you all, if you're feeling sad, lonely or depressed, please ring a family member or a friend, or if not, a helpline. There is always someone there to help you. Okay, let's do this. Fingers crossed. Oh, my goodness. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Hang on, I'll move it across. It's quite heavy. Wow, wow, wow. That will really sparkle because of the metallics in it when it's dry. I can even see around edges. It's just beautiful. I went over my edges there and not there, but you know that doesn't matter. That makes it individual, doesn't it? So you don't have to do this, but of course I'm going to do it because it's my art. Just a few little tiny kisses. Few little tiny balloon kisses. Where the paint's missing there, I think that looks a bit. But anyway, I actually love that berry delicious. That looks actually, I wouldn't mind just putting a bit more berry delicious in here. Didn't mean to do that, but anyway. Pretty, pretty, pretty. I love it. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Remember, you can do as much or as least of what you want. You don't have to do what I'm doing or the colours I'm doing or the balloon kisses. It's your art, your rules, your way, remember. You just enjoy the process and don't let anybody take your joy away. I've got to take a leaf out of my own book sometimes. There you go. That is gorgeous. Happy, happy, happy with that. That is absolutely beautiful. I think my friend is going to love that. I showed her the colour test and she loved it. So I think that is a winner, chicken dinner. I really hope you enjoyed that. I think that one I will, when it's dry, I will just coat it with a nice gloss coating. I won't put resin on that one because sometimes it's such a wide board, it might get the canvas sag unless I pack the canvas out, but that's absolutely gorgeous, gorgeous. Hope you loved it too. Thank you so much for joining me. Please take care. So much going on in the world. Oh, also I've had a messages to say that subscribers to my channel not actually getting notifications or that I've put a video up. So I've been told if you YouTube, I don't know what's happening in YouTube, but if you unsubscribe and then resubscribe, it should put you all back and you will get notifications when I put a video out if you are so interested. Thanks so much. Bye for now.
Around the bend, there's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end. There's